or something air conditioner. Right there's all your information. 5,200 BTU window air conditioner. So this air conditioner came from over at the neighbor's house. It has a front is in pretty good condition. I don't know if you guys can see that button. It's a fan motor. Okay. And then here is the compressor. I'm not going to take this apart, it's installed. Here's the drainage hole. So we'll go ahead and turn this air conditioner on. So let's start with low fan. Has that weird blade inside, as you can see. Now we're sure we'll turn on because I turned the thermostat all the way up. Okay. I'll go up to high fan. And we'll take a look at the outside. This thing really doesn't make much air. That coil is in great condition. So, make me happy. Coil's in such good shape. So, I'll flip it over to high cool. And 3, 2, 1. This is an R22 window air conditioner. Tape is there because the front always falls off. It's 79 in here. Alright, well, it's blowing nice and cold now. And there's the compressor. It's blowing hot out the back, nice and hot. Look at that, we're about to start dripping. We're dripping now. Alright, now we will turn the air conditioner off. Alright, it's low cool. There you go. Bye. Thank you for watching. Kenmore 5200 BTU window air conditioner. Thank you.